please phone.
Selected. Returning.
Cancel.
Cancel.
Holy shit. Round 2, boys! Round 2 of the Z. Yo, so we waiting on the 350Z owner. Yesterday we got fucked. So we had to wait until 10 o'clock last night to drive to Everett. And then we waited another 40 minutes for him to get there. And then we found out that his speedometer doesn't work, his oil temp tach doesn't work, blinkers are out. It looked like he just didn't know what he was driving. And he had a German flag on the back of his car that he's had for 5 years. And he didn't know what it was. Kind of weird if it was your baby, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, yesterday was a train wreck, but today we're doing a lot better. We got the big girl. We got the Sammy Z. Yo, what do you think of the car, dog?
It's good.
Shit, alright, your opinion doesn't matter. We need the true Z expert. What's up, dog? How are you, bro?
Good.
Shit.
I feel better today.
Yeah, dude, he was like super dead at work. He's like, I said hi to him. He's like, okay. Shit. Anyways.
Holy shit. Is this a new, or I didn't even realize this.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
No, I mean, he gave me the others,
Oh, no.
the other in the front of it, but I'm like, nah, I don't want the emblem on it. So, yeah, dude. What do you? Yeah. He looks test pipe, and then Gretty TIC exhaust. Yeah.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Let me turn it off. God. Yo, like the wheels though.
You guys take that off right now.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell the car again. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I like the wheels.
You like it? My aunt was talking shit about it. He's like, she's like, oh, that's a so white, my purple so white. Yeah, she was saying like the purple is like ugly as hell. Yeah, I'm like, what the hell? I like it, but definitely the
I like the version, or the Nismo.
yeah, the Nismo front end.
Front end is so nice.
Yeah, I'll get some stuff to wash it. There's a clear bra on it too, so
Dude, this is sick.
Yeah,
I see
dude.
the,
yeah, dude.
I'll check it out. It's single intake.
Yeah, JWT intake.
Holy shit, dude.
Yo.
Oh, do you have a problem with this? Have you opened it yet?
No.
Oh, okay. Mine was fucked up.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, you have to be very delicate with this.
Really?
It breaks easily.
God damn. Yeah. You see how it's not like flush at all?
Yeah. No, mine wasn't either.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mine was worse than that, dude.
Like popping out and shit.
Yeah, mine wouldn't close sometimes.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know if it was because it was cold at the time.
Interesting. Dude, right?
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy, dude. I want you to drive it. Like once you get.
No, I can test drive it.
Hell yeah, dude.
Right?
Dude, it's really nice.
It's in the rain today. Try to sell that.
Yeah, I wanted to like, get rid of the Nismo spoiler.
Get a what? A
Good.
rocket bunny?
Yeah, or there's another one. There's another brand that does a ducktail. It's like higher, it's like higher up. Like I think even higher, which is
Oh,
pretty cool.
shit.
Oh, the Rocket Bunny's pretty nice too.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nice. Yeah. It warms up pretty quick too.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Really fast. Have fun.
Dude, this sounds fucking nice. Alright, I'm not gonna go fast here.
Yeah.
Because I feel bad for your neighbor.
Yeah, she literally came out a second right when you took off.
No way.
I'm like, oh
Were you
fuck
just like-
Wesley. I'm like, yeah, they're just a really loud exhaust. It's like, no, I'm pretty sure you're going 20, 25 miles an hour. I'm like, shit.
Shit, I'm sorry.
Oh shit. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, dude. Oh man, it feels good.
Yeah, right?
It's nice. I like it. Alright. Let's see how it does.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Ooh.
it feels the same.
Oh shit. Oh. Yo.
Yo, it feels hella nice.
Holy shit. It's kind of loud. It's loud too. Like
It's
full start.
definitely
It's like Tyler's car.
It's not as long though.
Yeah.
It's Tyler's. Come on, nigga.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I'm gonna park pretty far off the curb.
Dude, yeah, I curved my wheels like the first time I pulled. Like, oh fuck, dude.
Was it like?
Yeah, like a little bit, like not too bad. Nice, that's perfect, bro. Dude, shit. Go. Yay. What's up, doggy? Oh god. Yo.
How the hell am I gonna go over here?
Dude, it's stretchy, dude. Don't worry, bro. Alright, you're dumb.
Dude, I love the front bumper. Yeah, it's nice. Did you already have it? I think I might just go for
Oh, Think about getting a vinyl for the lights and make it yellow.
Yellow? That's sick. There's some like cool headlight stuff that I can show you too. It makes it so there's a line right here.